Box Studios.
How was your childhood? Describe your childhood to me in 3 words.
Oh, 3 words?
3 words.
Religious. Responsible.
Okay.
Sad came to my mind, but I don't want to say sad, but sad came to my mind. Ooh, that's sad.
Why do you say sad? What makes you say
Because I really
sad?
couldn't think of like happy moments, you know. I didn't necessarily think of hard or bad moments, but when I was sitting here trying to think of like a childhood, you know, my life was so kind of like routine as far as like, you know, what at school, Kingdom Hall, house, brothers, you know, and whatever extracurricular activity we did with each other. My mother wasn't really big on outside friends.